Welcome back. All right, time for math. Go find this page. It says Monday, April the 20th at the top. So it's in that same packet. Just have to keep flipping and you will find the math section, okay? So here's our 3 math stories that we are going to do today. The very first one, here's the story. It says, the dog had 7 bones. He found some more. Now he has 14 bones. How many bones did he find? So let's think about our 2 numbers. We know 2 things that we know. We know that he started with 7 bones. And how many did he end with? 14. Okay, so let's do this. You have a section right here. This is what I want to see. I want to see some drawing. So what would you draw? What did we start? What did we start with? We started with 7 bones. The dog had 7 bones, all right? So let's draw that. 4, 5, 6, 7. I put mine in my tens frame so I know exactly what it looks like. So this is what we started with. We started with, yes, 7, okay? Then he found more. He found more, but I don't know how many more. I don't know how many more he found, but I do know at the end of the story, how many bones did he have? Right here it says now he has 14 bones. So I know at the end he has 14. So look at these 2 numbers. I have a 7 here that I started with, and my result is 14. Do you think my number got bigger, or did it get smaller? If you answered it got bigger, you are correct. So when we are thinking about a strategy, is that counting on or counting down? Yes, it is counting on. When you're counting on, our number gets larger. So is that adding or subtracting? What do you think? Adding. All right, so 7 plus something. We have a missing add-in. I need you to put on your mystery cap and see if you can find the missing add-in. 7 plus something is going to give me 14. So, right here, I need you to draw something out. But I need you to find out how many more he found. Okay, so that's what needs to go in here. I need you to fill this out. All right, let's go to number 2. So I'm going to keep going, but you can either push pause or you can keep working and come back. All right, so I'm going to turn my board. All right, let's look at story number 2. Story number 2 says, Don has 17 blocks. He lost some. He lost them. Now there are only 14. How many blocks did he lose? So let's think about what we started with. Look at the story. What did he start with? Don started with 17. He lost some, so we don't know what that change is. But then we know that our result is 14. Okay, so first thing I want you to do is let's draw 17. Circles or squares, you know I don't do a lot of that extra stuff. So I'm going to draw 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's my tens frame. You see? So it's coming in my window. There's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so there's 17. There's 17. It says he lost some, but now he only has 14. So let's look at this. I need to get to 14, but I'm not going to put more up here, am I? So I need to take some off. Is that adding or subtracting? That's subtracting. Okay, so I need for this to show 14. Can you do that for me? This is 17 right now. I need for you to make it look like 14. Don't erase. What can we do to mark something out so we can still see it? And it's still there, but it shows, it resembles, it's a symbol that it is gone. Yes, let's X them out, okay? So there is 10. And I need to get to 14. So my result is 14. So let's look what we just did. Don has 17 blocks. He lost some. He lost some. So how many did he lose? Look at how many I lost. I lost 1, 2, 3. I lost 3. So what number sentence could I write that would show that I started with 17, I lost 3, and now I have 14? I want you to put that on your paper right here. I want you to show me those things. All right, our last one. Here's our last one. Our last story. I have 16 pens. Sam has 6 fewer pens. How many pens does Sam have? All right, so let's find out how many I have. I have 16. Sam has 6 fewer than me. Okay, so let's find out how I have. I have 16. Okay, there is my 16. 10 and 6. 16. I have 16. But Sam has 6 fewer than I do. 6 fewer. Would that mean that he would have 16? No, he would not have 16. He has 6 less than I do. So if I took 6 less off, how many would that leave him? How many would he have? Okay, I want you to see if you can figure that one out. And draw and add your number sentence down here to the bottom, okay? All right, I will see you again tomorrow. Love you. Be safe.